Welcome to Oxbridge Montessori's digital learning platform.
In this video we will learn more about sentences and the topic is clauses.
So today we are going to have a review about sentences. We know that sentences make a complete sense. They are a group of words and have a proper meaning. We had learned about that sentences always start a capital letter, and in sentences the proper nouns are also starts with a capital letter, they ends with a full stop, and they are known as statements. So let's talk about the types of sentences. There are 4 types of sentences: the telling sentences, in which we tell something about or they ends with a full stop; asking sentences ends with a question mark; and the sentences in which we ask something; the exclamatory sentences in which we show strong feelings or emotions and they always ends with the exclamation mark; the imperative sentences in which we show some request or command and they also ends with a full stop. So these are the 4 main types of the sentences. So let's talk about the part of sentences. Let's add a little more information. What can you add to make a sentence longer? So there are 2 parts of sentences. Let's look at it in more detail. To build grammatically complete sentence, there is one important question, that what comes next. So here is a subject, the first main part of the sentence, and the second is predicate. Subject is the first part of the sentence which tells us about subject, and it is the noun part of the sentence. Predicate is the verb part of the sentence and tells us more about subject. So let's try example. Here's example, that the hunter was frightened. Here you can see that hunter is subject and it is the noun part of the sentence. It tells us about the subject. It tells us about that what we are talking, and frightened is the verb part of the sentence which tells us about the subject. So hunter is the subject, noun part of the sentence, and frightened is the predicate, the verb part of the sentence. Our today's topic is about clauses. That what are clauses? Clauses makes its own sense and you can use 2 or 3 or more clauses in a sentence. Every clause has its own subject and predicate and they have their own verb. So today we are going to talk about the 2 main types of clauses, the main clause and the subordinate clause. So let's start with the example. Example is, the hunter was frightened. So why he was frightened? Because the lion attacked him. So the hunter was frightened is the main clause because it has a proper sense and it is independent. It is expressing its complete idea. But in the second one, because the lion attacked him, is the subordinate clause. Subordinate clause always dependent on main clause and it needs main clause to clear its meaning, and it usually begins with a conjunction. You can see in the example that because is highlighted and because is a conjunction. You can see that there are 2 clauses, the hunter was frightened and the lion attacked him. So because is showing the relation between these 2 clauses, the hunter was frightened because the lion attacked him, because it's connecting both these clauses with each other. Moving towards the subjects and predicates, you can point out the subject in the sentence. Here hunter is the subject in main clause. In the first clause, hunter is the subject and frightened is the predicate. Similarly, lion is subject and attacked is predicate. So we have learned about the 2 types of the clauses, the main clause and the subordinate clause, and we know that main clause is not depend on any other word or conjunction or any other sentence. Instead, subordinate clause always depend on main clause and usually begins with a conjunction. Both clauses have their own predicate and subjects. Let's try example. There are some matching the main clauses and some subordinate clauses are given and you have to match them correctly. The lightning flashed is the main clause, and although I'm feeling a little better before we heard thunder are the subordinate clauses. So which will be the correct clause through which we can match the lightning flashed? So is it although I'm feeling a little better? They are not making a connection or proper sense. So can we match it with before we heard thunder? We can say it as the lightning flashed before we heard thunder. So we will match the lightning flash before we heard thunder. It will be correct. I need to stay in bed. Although I'm feeling a little better, here stay in bed will relate to I'm feeling a little better. So we will match both. Let's try another examples. Here you have to underline the main clauses. The telephone rang, so she answered it. Here, the telephone is the subject and rang is the predicate, or she is the subject, answered is the predicate, and so is the conjunction. So you will come to know about the main clause. The telephone rang is the main clause because it is having a complete sense and it is not dependent on so she answered it. So we will underline the telephone rang as the main clause. In the second part, someone spoke but she couldn't hear very well. Someone spoke is the main clause. In the next, you have to practice about the subordinate clauses. You have to underline the subordinate clause and you have remember that the subordinate clause always start with a conjunction. So can you point out where is the conjunction? We go to cinema when they are showing a good film. Here when is a conjunction. So we will start underlining or clause from when, that when they are showing a good film is a subordinate clause. Here they is a subject and showing is a predicate. So when they are showing a good film is a subordinate clause. Similarly, we went last week, although I had already seen the film. Here the clause starting from a conjunction is a subordinate clause, that although I had already seen the film is the subordinate clause. Here are some other exercise for your practice. You have to fill in the blank. The old boat sank. We are going to fill in the blanks. There are many possibilities, more than one possible clause you can add, so you have many choices. The old boat sank because it was overloaded, or you can also say it as but the fisherman was safe. Similarly, in the second part, my friend was hurt, and you can add any reason, that while he was playing, or you can also say it as because he fell from the chair. Secondly, we have to add the main clause to the blanks. Number one is dash, although it was dark. So you can add here, she could see her although it was dark, or you can also add some other clauses. Number two is dash before the spring came. So you can say it as our exams will be finished before the spring came. So repeat it and practice it.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.